taas ng pinapakanta niyo sa akin na.
Cover speech.
Thanks, Xavier. Okay. Mas okay ba dito? Ayan. Rainbow notes upon the wall, dancing children on the rainfall. Perfect sunset. Sorry guys, ano yun eh? Lizard. There's a ribbon in the sky, painting rivers in the moonlight, moving pictures say the word of a story that begins. I hold your hand and wipe your tears. We laugh until we run out of years. 'Cause no matter if our blue skies high at their knee, and although the roads are rough, we'll get through it just because I have my you have me. No matter what may come, we'll have a we and us. Okay, what's next? What's next? Sorry guys, di na ako nag-ayos Talagang gusto ko lang talaga mag-live. Oh, grabe naman. Thank you so much. Kwatsky. Thank you so much, love. That's my top 1. Pantropiko. Sining? Ano ba talaga? Ano ba talagang gusto nyo, guys? Parang iisa na naman yung mga Yes, nagtanggal na ako ng makeup, kaya kita niyo yung pimple ko dito. Pero it's okay, cause I don't wanna put on makeup. Hi, Renz! Thank you! My former classmate. Hindi ko siya kabisado. Like my first time living life that day I met you.
Hate to think that you must have to die someday. 1,000 years won't do.
Thanks, Sean. No one ever fell in love, even though I'm scared to love. The pain is unbearable. It's alright. Pinsala ikinamada. Pinipiling may salamang ka. You've turned my limbics into a bouquet. Ikaw ay tila sining sa museyong di naluluwa. Pinipili kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like I'm not good. Oh my love. Thank you, Renz. Patuloy na mararahuyo sa kanda.
I still kiss you every single day.
Oh my love.
If I could paint a perfect picture.
Thank you.
Imagine with a curvy figure. Voice of it.
Okay. What's next? What's next? May sining. Wow. Na-miss nyo ako, no? Sabihin nyo na. Thanks, Prinsesa ko. Statue, sige. May nag-request ng statue. Uy,
Sing
Love mag-ano ka, mag-request ka. Ba't ganito yung mga pinapakanta niyo sa akin? Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. When the day's said and done in the middle of the night and you're fast asleep, my love, stay awake looking at your beauty, telling myself I'm the luckiest girl alive. So many times I was certain you was gonna walk out of my life, but why you take such a hold me, boy, but I'm still trying to get my act right. What is the reason when you really from any man you want? I don't see what I have to offer. Should have been a season, cause kids say I had potential. Do you know you're my miracle? I'm like a statue, sex staring right at you. Got me frozen in my tracks, so amazing, take me back. Each and every time I love collapse, statue, sex staring right at you. Utot! Why? Why are you making tampo? Why are you making tampo, Utot? This girl's making tampo? Oh, the hilk! Just say you miss me. Ut, say you miss me. What is the reason when you care? Tinan mo, wala na tuloy. Nawala na ako. Charot. Nawala na. Ay, kasi pumasok sa live yung isa dyan. Tinan mo. Guys, ayan, ganyan siya. I miss you, bye. Mwah. Best part, sige.
Pag siningil ng stress at kape ang sikmura, dapat laging handa with Kremel S Advance.
Hey, you don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Oh, I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. It's the sunrise and those brown eyes. Yes, yung cousin ko nagre-request ng F. Abby. Just, ayan, wait lang. Desire when we wake up and then we make love. It makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. See how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. alam ko na. Ano ba yan? Yung cousin ko nagre-request na have Abby. Hindi ko lang sure. Ano ba naman to? Hindi ko kabisado yung mga kanta. Ba naman talaga yung... Grabe talaga yung... Grabe! Mga inaano ng mga tao.
Sinasabi ko to.
Talagang pinakanta ako na Have Abby. Grabe, pinagkanta lang talaga ako ng ganun. Wait lang, hindi ko yan kabisado. Ito na lang. Paano ko to kakantayin? Si D talaga.
At hindi niya alam na nandito ako sa kwarto mo.
Dito ko sa kwarto mo ngayon. Oh. Wow. Alam mo ba, girl? Promise ako.
Alam mo ba, girl? Dito promise ako.
Oh my gosh. Talagang 500 yung makakita sa akin nito. Alam mo ba, girl? Pagka wala ka dito, promise ako concern. Di ka nagre-reply, di mo pa ako ma-confirm. Ayaw mo ba sa akin pagka wala ko?
O ayaw mo sa akin
Kasi ikaw mas older.
Di ko pa mabigay mga luho mo't order. Malas lang tamo
Ayoko na.
ko ngayon for purse. Ako batang kali lang, kayo ay foreigner. Sinalo kita ng red horse, sagot mo okay. Kung alam mo
Okay,
nung
that's
tinalikuran
done.
mo ko, muntik na ako
Thanks, anong gusto nyo next? Parang hindi ko pa to nakakanta ever. Thank you so much, love. Parang hindi ko pa to nakakanta ever, kaya sige, for the first time in history. Why? For the first time in history. Sa 500 viewers. Sige, di ko alam kung kapisado ko pa to. Pero, I'm gonna, this. What's next? Thank you, RDNY. Okay, sige, let's sing palagi.
Pinaya mo ako!
Oh, thank you so much. Love, thank you.
Sa iba, may natirang dumi na natatapos.
I don't know how to.
Tay, tagos ang linis.
I do.
Tay, tagos linis, kaya trupa mo.
This one. I don't want. Okay, let's go. Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihinti. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Eto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Hanggang sa huli palagi Pag napaligiran ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Heto tayo sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangi kong dalangin kang sa huling siga. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal. Sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mong iyo ako. Palagi, palagi. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much. Love, love. I think I'm gonna be ending the live already. I just came back home from the last day of me being a judge in a singing competition, so I have to rest, and I just really wanted to sing for you guys. And best friend ko andito. Yeah, I have to rest, and I'll be going back to Manila very, very soon na din, so I have to also pack. So, yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Ingat. God bless everyone.